Hey everybody, Anthony Hunkler here with MagneShade, where in today's video, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process on installing our patented MagneShade system, utilizing both interior and exterior magnets. All right, so let's begin by going over some of the things that came with this package, starting off with an optional storage bag. So this is something that's sold separately, but we highly recommend that you guys get this. You can take your windshield and any side shades that you have, roll them up, throw them in this protective storage bag, put it in the coach, and then hit the road. You're ready to roll with everything nice and protected. Next up, we have our included matching wiper covers. So today we're installing a digital print shade to match the paint scheme of this Newmar Dutch Star, and these wipers are actually printed to match the shade. That way when they go on, everything blends seamlessly and it gives you a great aesthetic on the coach. We have the included telescoping rod, and this extends out and is what you will use to install your MagneShade once the magnets are placed. Lastly, and most importantly for this video in the install process, we have our install kit. So not only do we have the instructions that you can follow along to, but also, most importantly, we have our magnets. So this Dutch Star and other models and manufacturer of coaches require interior magnets plus 4 exterior magnets, which will go in each corner of the glass. So in here, we have not only the magnets, but we have the silane primer, which acts as a moisture barrier for humid climates, and then the adhesive, which we will place on those exterior black magnets. So go ahead and grab this, get everything laid out, and we'll begin. Now that we've reviewed all of the necessary components required in today's install, let's go ahead and grab the windshield shade, unroll it, and put it in the sun. That way the fabric can relax and eliminate any potential wrinkles that were caused in the shipping process. With the shade relaxing in the sun, let's go over the #1 pro tip I can give you for today's install, and that's going to be safely removing these magnets from the tube one at a time and then placing them on something metal. At MagneShade, it's nothing fancy. We just use the back side of a metal pan. And what this does, it makes for a much easier and organized install, and also keeps those magnets from jumping together and colliding. When you separate these magnets, proceed with caution as they are very strong, and make sure that you keep them far away until you place them on the metal pan. This shade requires 2 different types of interior magnets. The first is going to be the 1/2 inch in thickness magnets, which go in the upper corners. The rest of the interior magnets along the top and sides will be 3/8 in thickness. So the first step in installing the MagneShade is going to be cleaning the perimeter glass on the inside with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber towel. What this is going to do is prepare the glass and get it nice and clean. That way the adhesive can bond properly to the glass. Simply spray the glass, wipe it clean, and then we're ready for the next step. So with the glass now clean, we are ready for the dry fit process. And what that entails is taking the interior magnets and placing them on the inside of the glass, while Dustin will be on the outside holding the shade in place. When doing this, it's important to note that we are not going to expose the adhesive yet, as this will give us the opportunity to adjust any slack out of the shade and ensure that it is fit properly. When dry fitting the windshield shade, we'll start with the center 2 magnets along the upper horizontal, as those 2 magnets dry fitted will hold the whole weight of the shade and allow us to move left and right, finishing the dry fit on all magnet locations. With the interior magnets now in their dry fit positions, we're going to go around to each interior magnet location and scoot them towards the outside of the glass. Now what this does is it moves the corresponding magnet in the shade to the furthest edge of the pocket and stretches it nice and tight. Not only are we going to move those interior magnets towards the edge of the glass, we're also going to take the shade and pull it tight from the outside before we permanently set the interior magnets. With the interior magnets now properly dry fit and the shade nice and tight on the glass, it's time to go ahead and set those interior magnets. While I remove 1 magnet at a time on the inside and expose that adhesive, Dustin will be on the outside working on the same pocket location as I am, and what he's going to do is apply pressure to that magnet in the shade. That way it does not change positions before I have the opportunity to place the inside magnet. With the interior magnets now completely installed, it's time to shift our focus towards those 4-corner exterior magnets. Now, the reason for placing those exterior magnets is due to interference. And at MagneShade, we consider interference to be any true edge of glass that is not accessible from the inside of the coach. If you look here, you'll notice that we have our interior magnet set to this position. At the bottom of the glass, we have a couple inches here of interference to where we cannot place the magnet all the way to its true edge. That's where the exterior magnet comes in handy. So not only from a functional aspect does it keep that shade nice and tight, but it also improves the overall aesthetic of the system. That way there's no loose fabric in the corner. One of the most important steps in preparing your exterior glass for placing the magnet is going to be cleaning it. So what we're going to do is use isopropyl alcohol and 4-aught steel wool, which you can pick up at any local hardware store. And we're going to simply buff the glass area where the magnet will be placed. What this will do is strip the glass of anything naked to the human eye, which could restrict the bonding process of the adhesive. So what I'm going to do is simply spray the steel wool with some alcohol, and then I've got the corner magnet kind of flipped up on the shade, and what I'm going to do is just buff this area. The 4-aught steel wool will not scratch your glass, but you want to be careful not to come over onto the paint, as that could scratch the paint. So we're going to keep this on the glass, buff it for several seconds to get it nice and clean, and then from there simply wipe it with your microfiber towel. Now that the glass is cleaned properly with the steel wool and rubbing alcohol, it's time to go ahead and get the magnet on the shade, prepare it with adhesive, and then spray the glass one more time with the included silane primer. That way we get a nice bond. With the exterior magnets now paired to the back of the shade, go ahead and scoot them towards the edge of the pocket. With the magnets now on the shade and scooted into the proper position, we're going to go ahead and take isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel and gently wipe them and get them nice and clean. Now, when applying the adhesive to the magnets, I want you guys to remember not to touch the exposed adhesive. What that can do is strip any oils from your skin and actually restrict the bonding process of the adhesive to the magnet. So remember, be careful, go around each magnet until it's done, and then we're almost ready for install. With the magnet cleaned and the adhesive applied, locate that silane primer which was included with your windshield shade, and we're going to go ahead and spray the corner of glass where the magnet will be located, wipe it clean, and then set the magnet. Due to the fact that our adhesive is pressure activated, we want to make sure that we apply ample amount of pressure on each exterior magnet for at least 1 to 2 minutes. If you have the time over the next 24 hours, I would recommend going back at least 2 to 3 times and applying consistent pressure just to ensure that the adhesive bonds properly and everything sets up the way it should. I'm going to fold back each corner of the shade, allowing those 2 magnets in the pocket to connect and hold it into what we call the dog ear position. This allows the exterior magnets that have been placed on the glass to properly cure over the next 72 hours. And just like that, the patented MagneShade system is installed and you are feeling the effects of a cooler and more comfortable interior. Now, if you guys have any questions at all about what you saw in today's video, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help.